To celebrate the channel hitting 20,000 subscribers, we're running a competition where you could win up to $500 worth of upgrades for your RC. But more about that at the end of the video. Does your beloved RC car look a little bit worse for wear, like this guy? Well, you could just put some stock stuff back on and repair it back to how it was, but that's a bit dull. Spare parts and tinkering with your car shouldn't be seen as some kind of necessary evil. It's actually my favorite part. And why just replace when you can upgrade? We all want our cars to go faster and be tougher. So how do we do some mighty RC car mods? Well, with Hobbies Direct Parts Finder. Instead of just throwing random parts at your car and hoping they fit, use the Parts Finder. It's here on our homepage. Click the brand, then the model, then scroll through and look at all the pretties you can bolt on. And you can also go directly to a car's Parts Finder page from its main product page. Click here. You can even filter between original equipment manufacturer, OEM, and aftermarket to find the really cool stuff like this. Mods are also a great way to really make your car yours. A unique wheel and body color design can really improve your car because, let's face it, you're looking at it when you're driving and you want to look at something cool. Or we could do it all for you. To celebrate hitting 20,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel, thank you, thanks, hey, we'll be upgrading someone's car. The lucky winner can choose wheels, tyres, shocks, body, electronics, garlic, aioli, the works, all up to the value of $500 Australian. So, if you are an Australian resident with a car in desperate need of some TLC, send through a video of your worst for wear RC vehicle to our Facebook page, and one lucky winner will have their car featured on the channel and get up to $500 of upgrades all installed. Second place gets a hat, and somebody else will get this limited edition Hobbies Direct wooden spoon. That's right, coming soon is Pimp My RC Ride. Stay tuned. T's and C's apply, entries close the 30th of April.